And that's pretty sturdy. That's it. That's how you install Maier plastics. What's going on, guys? It's Rowdy DB, and we got us some new plastics for the 300EX. Got the rear plastic sitting down there. So I haven't really seen a video of somebody installing this, so I'm going to show you how it gets done. Pretty sure for any front plastics, they're going to be the same, especially if they're coming from Maier. They're all the same with the same hardware. So if you got a 300EX, this is very familiar. We got stock bolt for the front plastic. Then there's a rubber guard here. I used a flathead to push under, and then I grabbed it with some pliers and it popped right out. You want to take that out because you're going to end up putting this in. So I already did the one side to kind of show how it gets done. This bracket, the new bracket that it comes with, doesn't really bolt into anything. I guess it just holds the plastics there. But you have a mounting spot here and a mounting spot here. So now I'm going to show you guys real quick how to make this side look like this side. So I already took out that rubber piece. Let's take out this bracket. It might be a little nasty if it hasn't come out in a while. Might have to spray some PB blaster on it or something, but we're gonna take a try here to take it out. Oh, it's a little crusty. Oh, that's not gonna come out. Well, oh, looks like we got it to turn. And this is to be expected on something that's over 20 years old. This one isn't 2001 300EX. Well, we got that bracket out. Now all we gotta do is get this out. So we gotta take that bolt out off the frame. Got the bracket out, and we got that rubber piece out. This one with a plastic washer is gonna go into the side. And it's going to be a 13mm, so you don't want to go too tight. You don't want to break the plastic. You just want to go tight enough to where it's snug and it's not going to come out. So now for this mount, we're going to do this one. You need one of these, the washer with that little concaved piece in there, a regular washer, and then the lock nut. Put the washer with the concaved end down, put that on there, and then the washer and the lock nut. So we got this bracket in, and unfortunate events, the bolt did break. So we'll deal with that later. So we're not going to put a bracket in, but if that doesn't break for you and it works out great, put the bracket in. It should look like that. And now I think we're ready to put the plastics on. I already prepped the plastics with that little metal bar and the 2 screws here to lock those down. They come with the clips for the gas tank piece, which I will be getting in the future. And then you got the holes in the front for the mounting pieces. You go get it around like that, get it lined up. You want to use these black screws. So now we got the front locked down. It's actually in there already pretty sturdy. Now we got to do the back. So remember, we got that piece back there. On the back side, you want to get one of those washers that's got the concaved piece in there, and it just stays right in there. Plastic's so clean, it shows you how I'm holding the camera. Boom, got that one locked in. And it's matched up with the fuel petcock. And that's it right there. All right, you just line up that bar right there, tighten that down. Doesn't take too much. You got the clips up here, so when you get the gas tank piece, it'll just fit right in there. Might have to adjust it a little bit, but it should correct it once you get it in there and get it all screwed in. And that's pretty sturdy. That's it. That's how you install Maier plastics. I'm gonna throw the rear plastics on it real quick to show you what it looks like. it. That's how you install the front plastics. I gotta do a little retrofit. I'm gonna cut this a little bit, and then I gotta cut the back plastics, and it's rubbing on the pipe a little bit. But anyway, that's it. Now she got new plastic. She don't look too bad. I gotta figure out something. I may end up getting an LED barb. If y'all like the content I made, subscribe. I got more videos coming out. And if y'all want to see a couple wheelies, stick around.